In this video, we'll talk about natural logarithms, what they are, kind of where they come from, and how we can use them to our advantage. So real quick, let's review Euler's number. So this is a constant. It's represented with the letter E, and it's roughly 2.71. It is an irrational number. It keeps going much like pi or the square root of 2. And we use this number a lot for continuous growth or continuous decay in exponential functions. So if we look at a logarithm, usually we abbreviate it with ln, natural log of x. This would be the same as log base e of x. Now, the reason that this is useful is that there are only two logarithm functions that commonly occur on a scientific calculator. Natural log is one of them, and this is what it means. It's log base e. And it's very useful for if we're trying to solve equations with exponentials, especially with base e. They pop up all the time, and this is one of the more applicable uses. We can also use this for other things, such as the change of base formula, which we'll talk about in a later video. So that's what natural log is, and it's one of the two buttons on the calculator that it can actually do a logarithm.